Welcome to MK Origami, and today I am going to be teaching you how to fold an origami flapping bird. It is a really fun and easy origami model that you can make, and it's great for making it for other people and also trying it yourself. Okay, so what you'll need is a square sheet of paper, and if you have a design like what I have, you want to start with white side up. But if you're having just a white sheet of paper, then you really don't need a white side up because they're gonna look the same no matter how you flip it on both sides. Okay, so we are gonna fold it diagonally. Diagonally the other way, forming a X in the paper. So X. Now vertically, so going this way. Now fold it up. Okay, now you're going to pinch two sides of the paper, so like this, and so once you pinch them together, you should be able to form something like this. Just like this. So I'll show it to you again. So if you pinch two ends of the paper together, so pinch, right? You should be able to squish down two ends, which is a squash fold. Bring it down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is there's a center line here. We're going to bring the flap here to the center. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so you can repeat those steps on the other side. So again, bring these flaps to the center line, right here. And you should have something like a kite, sort of. Now what we're going to do is the creases you've made here and here, I'm going to bring it up, small dent, so you have something like this. Now you see they're going to sort of push. You want to push them down, so like this, and it should end up with something like this. Make sure you want to smooth everything out, just like this. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to repeat the steps on the other side. So you're going to lift this up, and you're going to use those creases that you've made, and you want to squash it down, just like this. So you have what is called a bird base. They should look symmetrical if you flip them on either side. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take one side, so it goes like this. Take one side, you're going to fold it upwards. Okay? Now what you can do is you can just hide it back. Do the same thing, so flip the other side, fold it upwards, then hide it back. So just like this. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that one of these, so the ones are going to be folded down a little bit. So you want to fold them down so it's facing like that. So see that? You want to fold it to right here. Do the same thing to the other side, so I'll show it to you again. So fold and should be right there. Okay, so you should now have something that looks like this. Now what we're going to do is, if I was saying this is going to be my head, this will be my tail. You can do it the other way, but this is how I like to do it. So if this is going to be my head of the bird, I want to pull it down and pinch on the head. So now it becomes something like this. Now we're gonna just place the model like so. Now we're gonna take our wings and flatten it down to the most it can go. The best way to flatten it, to fold it down, is so you can, it's not like that. You want it to maybe show it like this. So there's still a little bit at the top here, and that it goes straight down, as so. Do the same thing to the other side. So you want to, so both wings are symmetrical. So how you did it to that side, and do the same thing on this side. So at the end, it should form something like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to sort of fold it upwards so the wings become like that. All you need to do now is just flap. If it's sort of hard to flap, maybe before it was like this, right? Give it a couple, like tugs. So you need to hold it here, little tugs, and it should be able to flap properly. And there you go. You have an origami flapping bird. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you again.